Hi, this is Lee from Total Parts Plus, the 2016 Ford EcoSport, stock number 6508. This ran from the 11th 2013 to the 10th 2017. It has a BKBL 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Left rear tail light. Spare wheel cover. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-split vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,